The Singer Confidence Sewing Machine has some wonderful decorative stitches. I always say you need to stitch them out to really see what they look like. They look better than just what's pictured here on the front of the machine. Here is what they look like in some of the variegated colors. And that's just a fun little rainbow color here. And just by kind of running a row and then putting the presser foot right next to the next one, you can go ahead and how about here? Let's jump down to this stitch and we'll stitch it out. You can make yourself a little stitch book or sampling of each of the stitches. Now, how did I know where to stop when I found a stitch like this or here? What you need to do is just kind of watch as it kind of starts to repeat the pattern where a good place to stop and start would be. So just with stitching them out, have some fun with some decorative thread. And then don't forget, you know, so many people don't think about it, but you can actually stitch on paper as well. So if you do some paper crafts or you just like to have some stitches on some of your own cards you want to make, these would be wonderful. There's nothing wrong with sewing on paper with your machine. Maybe change your needle when you're done. That'd be the easiest. But look how pretty they are. And when you see them stitched out, I think you'll be pretty impressed.